Hi guys, in this video, let's do a number problem. So the problem is, if a% of a equals 25, then find a. Let's find out. Okay, so now, instead of going to this problem, let's go to another problem. Now let's take 36% of 300. Okay, so first, let's find 1% of 300. So 300 divided by 100 equals 3. So that's 1% of 300. So now we found 1% of 300, but we have to find 36% of 300. So we have to do times 36, which would equal 108. So that means 36% of 300 equals 108. So now here, let's go back here. So 8% of a equals 25. So 8% of a equals 25. So let's write it here. So 8% of a equals 25. So now if you look back here, we did 300 divided by 100 to find 1%. So that means here we have to do a divided by 100. Okay? So here that equals 3. But for this problem, a equals a divided by 100 because we can't really do that. Now they times 36 because we have to find 36% of 300, not 1% of 300. So now we have to find a% of a. So now we have to times it by a. So now here, that equaled 108. So for this, it shows it equals 25. Okay, so here, a slash 100 times a, we can write that as a times a slash 100, which equals 25. So now a times a equals a squared. So a squared slash 100 equals 25. So now let's move the slash 100 over here. So that's a divide 100. So if we move it right here, then it would become a times 100. So we would have add two zeros, which would be a squared equals 2,500. Okay? So now here, this is a square, right? If we move it here, then it would become a square root. So a equals the square root of 2,500. So the square root of 2,500 is 50, because 50 times 50 is 2,500. So a equals 50. So now to check this, let's look at this problem. So it would be 50% of 50. So now 50, so 50% is 1/2 of 100. So it's 1/2. So I have to do 50 divided by 2, which equals 25. And here it equals 25. So that means a equals 50. Let's do math every day. And like this video,